Today I will be taking you through the process of making these multi-purpose long pouch. So let's start. So this is the main panel of the pouch, that is the front and the back panel. So I've already cut and kept. The size of the panel is 9.5 inches tall and 15 inches wide. In this main panel, I have attached rubber sheet so that the pouch becomes sturdy. Now these are the gusset panel. Gusset is the side panel of the pouch, which is used to bring volume to your bags and pouches. So the measurement is 2.75 width, and length I always keep a little extra because while stitching I can adjust and then I trim it off. I'll show it to you while actually stitching it. These are for the zipper panel. You see the main opening of the pouch, this section of the pouch. I'll start with the zipper panel first. I have cut two long strips of the same fabric. The measurement of this is 3 inches wide and 22 inches long. I'll be folding this slightly. I have ironed so that I get a fair idea on where I am supposed to attach the zip. So the machine that I use is of Singer 9900 model. I have been using this for the past 2 years. Earlier I used to use domestic machine, but then once I started getting more and more orders, I upgraded it to this machine, and touch wood, this has been working really well for me. It's quite fast, and for bags usually the fabric is thick. There will be interfacing stabilizers. So what happens is domestic machine may not be able to take the heavy load. So it's better to have an industrial machine if you're planning to take this professionally. So the stitch length is 2.5. We'll be stitching this 4 times so that the zipper panel becomes strong, and at the same time it gives a nice pattern to the panel. So we'll do the second side also. So since I want the zipper panel and the gusset panels to be of the same size, I will be trimming it to 2.75. I've got a nice straight zipper panel now. Now attach 2 zip runners to the zipper panel. I usually use 2 runners for large bags or large pouches, but if you want to use only one, you can do that. I usually use 2. So the measurement of this is 21 inches. So the zip that I have used is zip number 5. And now we'll attach the gusset to the zipper panel. So the right sides of both the panels should face each other. Now let's stitch. Now we'll stitch the other side of the gusset. Attach the lining fabric. The main side, right side of the lining should face the wrong side of the zipper panel. Similarly, on the other side also attach the lining. Now top stitch on both the sides. Yeah, it's ready. It looks beautiful, isn't it? Put some glue on the wrong side of the gusset and paste the lining fabric. So either you can stitch on both the sides and fix the lining, or else you can attach glue also, whichever is comfortable for you. I usually use Fevibond for this because it makes my work faster. Trim off the excess fabric. So now we'll be making this section of the pouch, this panel. Now we'll be attaching zipper tabs to the zip of the front panel. The measurement is 1.75 and 2 inches long. Right side of the zip should face the right side of the zipper tab fabric. You fold it and stitch again. So your tabs will be ready, but before attaching the zipper tab, always put the zip runner and then only attach. Now the zip is ready. Trim off the excess fabric from the zipper tabs. Now since the zip is ready, we will make the pocket panel. Mark the middle point of the zip and the pocket panel fabric and then match it before stitching. So I'm taking the middle point of the zip, and now I'll be taking the middle point of the main fabric. Right side of the fabric and the right side of the zip should face each other. Now we'll attach the lining. The right side of the lining should face the right side of the main fabric and then attach it together. Now stitch on the lining and now do a top stitch on the main fabric. Since the pocket panel is ready, mark a line 3 inches from the top on the main panel and attach the pocket panel in this manner. So stitch on the zip first. I stitch it twice always. Whenever I use this method to make pockets, I always stitch twice. The inner stitch is done. Remove all the excess thread. You see, the panel is ready. Now pull it down and stitch on both the sides carefully. All the panels are ready. The front, back, zipper and the side. Now we'll be assembling it, stitching it all together. Mark the middle point of the zipper panel and the main panels. Then match it, clip all the sides and stitch it. I'll start from here. Okay. Attach the other panel as well in a similar manner. Match the middle marking that we did in the beginning with the middle marking of the zipper panel. Attach all the clips and stitch it in a similar manner. So I have stitched both the panels together and all the panels have come together now. Like I told you earlier, the bottom I always leave because I do not take the exact measurements of the panel. I always take some extra in the bottom, and after stitching 80% of the entire bag, then I close this so that it becomes easy for me. There are different ways to do it. This is how I do. If you find a better method, you can write in the comment box, or you can use this method that I use. So what I do is I clip it together first, both the sides, clip all the sides. I bring it here, I stitch, hand stitch. I prefer hand stitching because it stays properly, just to make sure that it stays where it is supposed to stay. I get the middle point. So I got this side, and now I'll bring this together, these two panels, and stitch. Okay, only the ends. Now I brought this together, so it becomes easy for me to stitch. Now I'll remove the excess panel. We have to stitch this point to this point on the machine. This is like a marking to know where to stitch the bottom panel of the gusset. You see this? The stitched, hand stitched portion and this portion becomes a marking for you to know where to stitch from this point to this point. You can clip it if you want. You see, I have stitched this now. This portion is stitched. Clip these and stitch. Now you can seal it. Now you can seal the entire pouch. So now we'll cover the seams with these strips. So I've cut 2-inch strip. I'll be folding this and stitching. First I'll bring this all together and then stitch this side. Once the strip is ready, attach it on the side of the seams so that you cover it neatly. So the pouch is ready now. We'll remove all the excess thread. You see how neat this has become now. All the seams are sealed. You will not see the stitches. It will not look untidy. So this step is also very important because your bag or pouch should look beautiful from the outside, but it should also look neat and tidy from the inside as well. Now we'll remove this. See, remove it. Takes a little effort. You see? So yeah, your pouch is ready. So your bag is not only beautiful from outside, it's neat from inside as well. So if you like this video, share it with someone who likes stitching. Subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, please mention it in the comments. I'll try my best to solve it.